Arrive in style with this Dodge 2005 Dakota SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include heavy-duty service group, interior convenience group, quick order package 26E, security group, sport appearance group, trailer tow group, 4 speakers, AM/FM compact disc with changer control and AM/FM radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.